Looking for a smooth ride while staying active with your little one? The best jogging stroller for trails ensures stability, comfort, and durability. Designed for outdoor adventures, it handles rough terrain with ease, keeping both parent and child happy. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Baby Trend Expedition Jogging Stroller for Trails. The Baby Trend Expedition Jogging Stroller for Trails is a practical option for parents who want reliability and ease of use on various terrains. Made with 100% polyester, this stroller is built for durability and comfort. One of its standout features is the lockable front swivel wheel, which makes maneuverability smooth and effortless, whether you're jogging on a trail or walking in a park. Paired with all-terrain bicycle tires, the stroller provides excellent stability and control over different surfaces, ensuring a smoother ride for your child. Parents will also appreciate the convenience of the parent tray, which includes 2 cup holders and a covered compartment for essentials like keys or phones. For the little passenger, the child's tray with 2 cup holders is a thoughtful addition, and it even accepts an infant car seat to transform the stroller into a travel system. Comfort has also been prioritized as the stroller features an extra-wide, ergonomically shaped rubber handle, reducing hand fatigue during long walks or jogs. The adjustable canopy with a covered sunroof is another big plus, effectively blocking sun and wind to keep your child safe and comfortable. This stroller strikes a balance between functionality and affordability, making it a great choice for active families. Its lightweight build and user-friendly design ensure that it doesn't feel bulky, while still offering the features you need for outdoor adventures. Number 2. Graco Jogging Stroller for Trails. The Graco Jogging Stroller for Trails combines convenience with comfort, making it a strong contender for active parents. Designed with polyester material for durability, this stroller is built to withstand regular outdoor use. One of its best features is the convenient one-hand fold, part of Graco's signature fast action system, which allows parents to fold the stroller in just a second with one hand, perfect when you're managing a baby and gear at the same time. The stroller is also infant car seat (ICS) compatible, converting easily into a lightweight ICS carrier for added flexibility. Parents will find the child-friendly tray a thoughtful addition, complete with a cup holder that gives kids a place for their drinks or small toys. Storage is another strength of this stroller, as it comes with a generously sized basket underneath, making it easy to carry diapers, snacks, or personal belongings without hassle. The stroller doesn't compromise on comfort either, offering a multi-position reclining seat that lets your child relax during your jogs. Additionally, the 3-position adjustable handle ensures that parents of varying heights can push the stroller comfortably. Maneuverability is smooth and stable, suitable for different types of terrain, including jogging paths and park trails. Safety is addressed with a secure harness system, keeping your child snug and protected throughout the ride. Graco has designed this stroller to provide a blend of practicality, comfort, and ease of use, which is ideal for families who don't want to struggle with heavy or complicated equipment. Number 3. Chicco Jogging Stroller for Trails. The Chicco Jogging Stroller for Trails is an impressive blend of style, durability, and functionality designed for families who love staying active outdoors. Built with 80% polyester and 20% PVC, its construction offers durability without feeling overly heavy. The lightweight aluminum frame and 3-wheel design make it easy to push and navigate, while the adjustable FlexCore rear suspension adapts to different terrains, whether smooth paths or rough trails. Its foam-filled, never-go-flat tires ensure a steady and reliable ride, giving parents peace of mind during long jogs or walks. What sets the Chicco Jogging Stroller apart is its exclusive control console, which features hand-operated brakes and a front swivel wheel lock, allowing parents to make adjustments on the go without needing to stop. Comfort for the child is a priority, with a multi-position reclining seat and a full-coverage UPF 50+ canopy that includes 2 peekaboo windows. Parents will also appreciate the large storage basket and detachable padded armbar, which adds both safety and convenience. Another standout feature is its compatibility with all Chicco infant car seats, attaching securely without the need for extra adapters, transforming the stroller into a full travel system. When it's time to pack up, the stroller offers 3 one-hand fold options, making storage and transport easier than many other models. Number 4. Delta Children Jogging Stroller for Trails. The Delta Children Jogging Stroller for Trails is a sturdy and stylish choice for families seeking durability and comfort during outdoor activities. Constructed with a durable steel frame and high-quality nylon fabric, it's designed to withstand regular use on trails and uneven terrain. One of the most parent-friendly features is the detachable organizer and convenient parent tray, which includes cup holders and a covered storage compartment, making it easy to keep essentials close at hand. The Stroller's extendable quilted European-style canopy with sun visor and peekaboo window ensures your child is well protected from the sun while also allowing you to keep an eye on them. A wide, adjustable foam handle with a safety tether provides secure and comfortable control, while the multi-position reclining seat and 5-point safety harness with padded straps guarantee your child's comfort and safety. Maneuverability is smooth, thanks to the large 16-inch back wheels with ball bearings and the 12-inch front swivel wheel, which can lock for jogging stability. Quick-release back tires make folding and storing the stroller much easier, and its compact folded size ensures it doesn't take up too much space. Parents will also appreciate the generous undercarriage storage bin, which is ideal for holding all the necessities for outings. Weighing around 27 pounds, the stroller balances sturdiness with manageable weight. Additionally, it meets JPMA, ASTM, and CPSC safety standards, giving parents added peace of mind. Number 5. Baby Trend Jogging Stroller for Trails. The Baby Trend Jogging Stroller for Trails is designed to offer a smooth and enjoyable experience for both parent and child. Crafted with 100% polyester, it's durable, lightweight, and easy to maintain. Its all-terrain bicycle tires, paired with a lockable front swivel wheel, make maneuverability simple and efficient on a variety of surfaces, from paved roads to rugged trails. For parents, the stroller includes a convenient tray with 2 cup holders and a center console, providing easy storage for drinks and small essentials. The child's tray adds practicality too, featuring cup holders and snack spaces, ensuring little ones have their necessities close by. Safety is prioritized with a multi-position reclining seat and an adjustable 5-point harness, keeping your child secure and comfortable throughout the ride. The large ratcheting canopy with UPF 50+ protection is another highlight, shielding your child from harmful sun rays and offering reliable coverage during windy conditions. A large, durable footrest adds to the overall comfort for your child, ensuring they can relax during longer trips. Parents will also find the stroller's lightweight build beneficial for quick folding and transport. It doesn't feel overly bulky, making it manageable for everyday use. Whether you're jogging, strolling in the park, or exploring trails, the stroller's combination of functionality, comfort, and safety makes it a strong option. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.